What's better time to start a new vlog if not on a Saturday morning? Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to a new vlog. I'm heading out. We are heading out to go to the market. I'm here trying to write lists so we can get some things and cook soup, and also get a new charger for my phone because my phone fell while my phone was charging and it stopped charging. And then later I started charging again, but it was shaking, so I was managing it, but now it has completely stopped charging, and I am hoping and praying that it is a charger that is faulty and not my charging port, because yeah, I'm hoping that. But I think it's the charger, because when I try to charge with my power bank and the cord, a different cord, it charges, but it doesn't charge with my phone charger. So I'm hoping and believing that it's my charger. And anyways, like I was saying, I had to stop because we were stopping at a bank. We came out with Neto because I mean it's Saturday morning and he's awake. Katie's still sleeping, but Neto was awake. So I was like, you know what? Wear your slippers, hop in, let's all head out together. So we are leaving this early morning. This is past 8. Okay, it just clocked 9 o'clock at the dot. Our gas finished last night. It was not even funny. And the funny thing is that we have a spare cylinder, and we've used that one as well. Like it was weird. See, as a lady, as a woman, trust your instincts, because tell me why yesterday morning I was just like, wait, oh, we've used this second cylinder and we've not filled it. So I told my husband, oh, remember we've not filled the other cylinder, and he was like, we should get the cylinder and he'll take it to where he's going out, and that's the cylinder in the car right now. So according to him, he did not remember it that he had cylinder in his car, and when he remembered, the gas plant where he wanted to fill it up was closed, and that was how he came back without getting gas, right? Our gas finished in the night. Thankfully there was bread at home, so I just told Chinonso to take bread, take juice and sleep. The boys took cereals and I just went to bed like that. But yeah, anyway, so we just want to get the gas, buy things from the market, get my chargers. But anyways, let this intro not be too long. I will talk to you guys later. I feel like I'm distracted. I'm just looking here and there. I'm the only one in the car, so gotta be security conscious. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to the channel. Still your girl Precious, reporting live from Abia State, Nigeria. Do well to smash the subscribe button, join the family. We'll be glad to have you here, and give the video a thumbs up as per usual. But yeah, let's buy fish. I'm walking about the answer for but I'll be answering for. Yes, about what is big? This is here small. Morning and the weather is very good. It's almost like it wants to rain. It's not drizzling. I didn't get everything I other errands, and then we'll come back. I need vegetable, I need water leaf, I need palm oil and other things.
Yeah, how front of the
We're at the gas plant trying to get gas. So yeah, guys, burning the beat.
Yeah, I like this girl. I like this what he's doing.
St. Michael's. St. Michael. Oh, there's a church, St. Michael's around it. Okay, so I know Catholic, Anglican. I got my charger, thank God this charger is not charging fault. Why will phone fall when it's charging and then the charger will spoil? Like, I sacrifice this life for my charging port. Oh yeah, thanks. So this is meat depot. I should be slaughtered, I used to call it in here. This is where it is. So look at my waiting in the car. I'm already getting tired. I wish I was there from the other market, but I still have to go back. And when I go, I'll wait for them now to cut the vegetable and stuff, of which if I had bought it, they would have been cutting it now. We'll be doing all these other ones. Those pages are making us. Anyways, let's get meat and leave here, and I'll probably see you guys when I go home. I think I've vlogged enough of my market waka. But yeah, see ya. And cooking modes has been activated. I just blended this egusi now, and I'm so happy that I did it in the house, because market people, I don't understand, they'll mix ogbono with you. And then I also blended this crayfish, and there is okoro and pepper, some pepper. I still have some here. I just want to start washing this and then I'll start cooking.
Make we dey struggle, make we dey hustle. This world is awful, only Nigeria go along. If money dey for your pocket, you never survive. I'm gonna beg, na one day. Oh yeah, say nobody enjoy the fool. Oh yeah, na one day. Chop life with your brother. Oh yeah, one day. Oh yeah, say nobody enjoy the fool. Oh yeah, one day. Come on, Baba, chop life with your brother. Oh yeah, one day.
Next morning, today is Sunday. I didn't go to church, unfortunately. I didn't talk to you guys yesterday because I got back from the market. I cooked, I ate, I had my bath, and I slept. I slept for a long while, woke up and basically just spent time with the family. And I woke up and I realized that I'm done with the flu. See, my body is so tender. My body just wants love all the time and nothing else. So I told you guys I was drizzling in the market yesterday while I was in the market. So apparently the rain that fell on my body, it's not like it's rainfall, it's more like dew, right? Because you wouldn't find my clothes wasn't wet, you will not find raindrops on my body, but you know when that early morning dew falls on your body, that's the kind of vibe I got yesterday. And apparently it made me get cold, so now I can breathe from my nose, I am breathing from my mouth, and that is why I think I sound like a frog. But yeah, I just made black tea, that's Lipton. Let me drink if it will help with my throat. I wanted to add honey to it, but honestly I don't really like the taste of honey in Lipton. I know I'm not supposed to go for taste, I'm supposed to go for what will help me, but sometimes if it upsets my stomach when I do it, so I'd rather just take the Lipton. Yeah, after that I'll just rest a bit and then head to the kitchen and make stew. I didn't make stew yesterday because I don't like cooking more than 2 things at a time, you know, so I can concentrate and do better and give them the better results. Anyways, I made soups yesterday, so I want to make stew today. Boil rice. I don't even have time to think of any cereal food, so we'll just eat rice and stew today. And I don't have anything else planned out for today, honestly, aside from cooking and eating and chilling with the farm. So yeah, but I just thought to talk to you guys here. I was just catching up on some videos on YouTube, and I just said pause it and create your own content, you know. But yeah, oh guys, by the way, who are all these people that said watch adolescents? Okay, just take your time. The movie is slow, but just take your time and watch it. You would relate, you would understand, especially if you're a mom and stuff, like be parent, especially if you're a parent. I have been struggling to finish. I struggled to finish episode 1. You know how some movies episode 1 will just be like very slow, very somehow, but you just need to enter episode 2 and move forward. I think the movie is just 4 episodes, right? Guys, I've been stuck in episode 2. The movie is not just it for me. I beg, I'll learn how to be a good parent in a different movie. I don't think I'm going to continue because what, oh my god, guys, when I tell you that I tried everything, in fact I'll be cooking or I'll be doing something and be playing the movie just so that it will be the background. If there's anything, I'll still be catching up with the movie. It's just not possible. No, the movie is not for me, I beg. Anyways, I'm happy that Ginny and Georgia new season is soon to be out, just in case you are waiting too. The trailer is out, even on Netflix. It has started showing there as coming soon. I can't wait. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that. I'll talk to you people later. Okay. Now that skincare is done, let me head to the kitchen and go and blend and mix my moi moi and put it on fire. Don't ask me why I had to have my bath first before entering kitchen to make moi moi. I don't even know, it just happened. And moi moi is not something that you have to cook or fry or whatever, right? I'm just going to blend it, mix it, put them in the plates, put them in the pot, and leave the kitchen. So I don't think I would smell or get any smell of food on my body, but if I do, I'll just change my clothes. But I don't think I've ever experienced that. You know, I'm not frying anything or boiling anything. But yeah, let's go make my way. You on this fan, so this thing will dry first before I enter the kitchen and start dripping, you know. But yeah. guys, it's around the clock. This is Monday and I have some errands to do. I want to get some stuffs. I need to get flour for pancakes, then get bread, run some other errands, because you know Monday is equated as weekend for us as well, for us Abia residents. So yeah, let me run the remaining errands that I need to do and prep for the week. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this vlog. This is basically a weekend vlog. Started it on Saturday and I'm ending it today, being Monday, but also weekend for us over here. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Give the video a thumbs up to support your girl and to push our video forward. Share to family, friends, relatives, you know. And I'll see you guys in my next one. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope you did. Let me know if you enjoyed it. I would like to know. But yeah, see you guys in our next vlog. Bye.